दुनिया भुला के तुमसे मिला हूँ, निकली है दिल से ये दुआ, रंग दे तुम मोहे गेरुआ, राझे की दिल से है दुआ, रंग दे तुम मोहे गेरुआ।
Good afternoon, sir. So we are extremely glad to have you here, and what a better way to kickstart the SRK Film Festival than have you here amongst us. May I please request you to unveil the festival and also say a few words, please.
Thank you very much, and apologies, I'm a little down with fever, so I'm not very well. So sorry for the delay, and sorry for making all of you wait. This is really sweet of PVR. I think apart from it being a thought in terms of entertainment, it's just personally a very sweet gesture that they would do a film festival of sorts for a week leading up to the release of a new film, which stars Kajol, myself, Kriti, Varun, Johnny Bhai, Boman Irani, directed by Rohit Shetty, which will release next week. So this festival in PVR leads up to the release of Dilwale, the film which has been made this year, 2015. So it starts today with Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, which of course is one of the most special films to all of us who have been part of it, and has been made special only because of all of you, that you have liked it and kept looking at it for last 20 years, even if it's in small numbers. But the love for Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge has been completely constant and completely unexpected for anyone in the world, not just in India. Of course, like I've said before, none of the credit of that can go to the actors or any of the creative members of the team, because when a film does the kind of business that Dilwale does, not in terms of monies but in terms of liking, I think it's the reason is the people who attach themselves to the story of a film and the emotions, and decide that somewhere they see their lives reflected in the story that is being told. So it has nothing to do with us, but we are happy to take the credit standing here. This festival will have different films, as has been stated. I'm sure there's a program telling you that. Like I said, starts with Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, there's Chak De, there's Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. And when we were called upon, we all have been busy trying to release the film, so we took this time out specifically, and again I apologize because we are working till 5, 6 in the morning, and all of us are falling sick. Kajol is very tough, nothing is happening to her. Kriti and Varun are younger, but I think I'm suffering running around, and so is Rohit a little bit. But he's also very tough. So I'm the least tough person in this film, so I'm falling sick again and again. But I'm here mainly because we thought if we are releasing a film Dilwale, we'll take this opportunity to all of you who've come here, and I've been made to understand a set of you goes on to watch, be the first people to see the film on the 17th, which is Dilwale by Rohit Shetty. So it's nice that you're starting the journey here. I hope you enjoy some of the films that you see here, and finally come and enjoy the new offering that we have from Rohit Shetty. And just to begin that, we thought we'll have a little bit of a storytelling, a little more. We've done all our trailers, we've done all our songs, and I think the idea was basically to inform people about the film over a set or a unit of 20 days instead of just a trailer or a song. So we are coming nearly to the end of the 20 days, then we started talking about Dilwale, which has been made now. This is very confusing, I have to keep saying, okay, this Dilwale. And what we thought is we'll show you another snippet, just in case. Raj and Simran, what happened to them after they got onto the train? Everybody thinks, so this
and
Dilwale...
had a personality makeover.
Yeah, had a personality makeover. She grew a beard, I grew a little fat. No, the other way around, sorry. But the idea was, obviously this Dilwale is not a continuation of Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. It's a completely different story. The only aspect of Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge is that both of us are doing a film together 20 years, which is kind of a love story, but set very differently. The intensity, the starkness, and perhaps even the issues that we deal with in the love story that we have changed as the years have gone past. I think it is more modern, it is more real, and it is more intense than Dilwale in its own way. No comparing the two, but this is a different take on a love story between Raj and Simran. She's Meera, I'm still Raj, I haven't changed. So we thought we'll create a little bit of a 2.5, 3 minute showing you the drama or the intensity of love that happens in this Dilwale. and then move on to showing you Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Mr. Khan, if that's okay. Mr. Khan, you're known to be a marketing genius, and we've been seeing snippets of this movie through the previews. So what is this about? What strategy is this? Because even this is a very crucial snippet that we just saw. So could you please throw some light on that?
Not as a marketing guru, though I'm going today to give a
Guru!
lecture. I'm a love guru, as Kajol says. But the idea was, हम normally एक system बन जाता है हमेशा कि एक film का trailer आएगा, फिर 2 गाने आएंगे, फिर एक dialogue trailer आएगा, एक action trailer आएगा, comedy trailer आएगा, 30 second, 50 seconders. And this is not a rule or some design या कुछ एक system है. I think we can do it differently. The idea always is to tell people about the film. चाहते हैं कि लोगों को film के बारे में पता चले. So for this film especially, because it could afford to, कि आखिरी 25 या 20 दिन के अंदर हम सारी ऑडियंस को फिल्म का एक ओवरऑल आइडिया दें, बट ओवर 15-20 डेज, इंस्टेड ऑफ इट बीइंग कि आज हमने ट्रेलर कर दिया और गाना हो गया और ख़त्म हो गया, अब आपको जो करना है कर लो, PVR में आके टिकट ले लो और पिक्चर देख लो. सो इट्स अ प्रोसेस विच विल एंड विद द लास्ट सॉन्ग, which is Tukur Tukur, which will come out I think in a day or two if I'm not mistaken. But the idea is last 20 days before the film, audience should be aware of a basic overview of what the film is going to be like, without telling the story or giving away the highlights or the highest points of storytelling in the film. So this is, we started with a trailer I think on last month on a certain date, which was viable near Diwali I think. And then we're going on, this is the last stretch where we will put Tukur Tukur and that's it. And hopefully people will know what the film is about and be informed and like what the information is and come and watch the film. And
Thank
also
you.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank PVR for the new logo they've made. I think it's very, very cool, the animation.
Great, thank you. Members of the media, we have mics, so if you'd like to ask a question, kindly raise your hands.
रोहित सर, सबसे पहले तो ताबड़तोड़ ट्रेलर है, इसके लिए बधाई देता हूँ इस टीम को, मज़ा आ गया. खान साहब, मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि एक दिलवाला और उसके भीतर क्या क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि आपने अभी बोला कि मैं लव गुरु हूँ, तो एक टिपिकल दिलवाले के भीतर
you have to do the love guru. Love guru.
लव गुरु.
Now I'm visibly embarrassed. पूछो, क्या पूछ रहे हो तुम?
खान साहब, एक दिलवाले के भीतर क्या क्वालिटी होनी
ये
चाहिए?
होना चाहिए कि लड़कियां उसको देख कर कहें लव गुरु. यार अब मैं फिल्म के हिसाब से ही बोल सकता हूँ ऐसे, वरना मैं अपने बारे में ऐसा बातें करूँगा तो अजीब लगेगा अपने आप को, मैं कुछ लव गुरु समझने लग गया हूँ. हमारे फिल्म के हिसाब से या कहानी के हिसाब से जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है वो यही है कि अगर जो इंसान एक दूसरे को माफ़ कर सकता है, माफ़ी मांग सकता है अगर गलती हो जाए. रिश्तों में बहुत गलतियाँ होती हैं, झगड़े होते हैं, कभी कभी टूट भी जाते हैं, बंद भी जाते हैं, दरार आ जाती है. और ये हम टेलीविज़न पे अपने बहुत सारे शोज़ करके आए हूँ, जितने भी डेली सोप्स होते हैं उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम चल रही है ना रिश्तों में, तो देख के मैं हैरान ही रह गया यार. एक तो क्या प्रॉब्लम थी, एक लड़की पैसा नहीं खर्च करने देती, दूसरा हस्बैंड पैसा ज़्यादा खर्च करता है, बड़े बड़े अजीब चीज़ें देख कर आया हूँ मैं. तो उन सबको भी अगर इकट्ठा कर लो, एकत्रित कर लो, तो आई थिंक जिस इंसान में माफ़ करने की क्षमता है, आई थिंक वो बहुत बड़ा दिल वाला होता है. बाकी तो ठीक है, प्यार करना, गाना गाना, मोहब्बत करना, गिविंग नेचर, लविंग नेचर, लाइकिंग नेचर, वार्मथ एंड गुडनेस, वो सब में होती है कहीं ना कहीं अपने अपने रिश्तेदारों के लिए. लेकिन आई थिंक जो इंसान रिश्ते नातों में एक दूसरे को माफ़ करके आगे बढ़ सकता है, आई थिंक उससे बड़ी, क्योंकि ना अगर हम खलल तकलीफ़ दिमाग में रखें तो नेगेटिविटी बहुत हो जाती है. कि मेरे को सपोज़ एक्स हैं, काजोल हैं सपोज़, इनसे मेरा कुछ परेशानी है साल पहले, वो ज़िंदगी भर रहती है, तो ऐसा सब नेगेटिव होता है. फिर हर बात
खुद को तकलीफ होती है,
हाँ,
more
खुद ही
than
को
the other
ज़्यादा तकलीफ
person. I
होती
think
है.
को बहुत ज़्यादा waste of energy.
It's a
and time.
difficult thing to do, but I think to be able to forgive, move on, and accept everybody with their little frailties and weaknesses, I think that's the biggest दिलवाला. कि जज नहीं करते हम एक दूसरे को यार, कि ये ऐसा नहीं है, वैसा क्यों नहीं है, मेरे को जज मत करो. मुझे लोग कहते हैं सच नहीं बोलता, वो ठीक है, अगर नहीं बोलता तो नहीं बोलता, प्यार करो फिर.
Where are the other youngsters missing today? And
वो दुबई पहुंच चुके हैं. हमने एक्चुअली जैसे हमने बताया, हमने थोड़ा सा वो बेचारों ने, मैं एक बार बोलना चाहूँगा, हालांकि ये कोई बात, ये पर्सनल बात है, बट बहुत जगह पर वो हमारी मार्केटिंग और जो PR एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वो संभाल रहे हैं. लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस इफ काजोल मी गेट स्टक, रोहित जो अभी तक एडिट के अंदर हैं, सेंसर हो रही है फिल्म, सो दोज इश्यूज आर गोइंग. तो वो बेचारे जो हैं जैसे नहीं होते घर में जो छोटे भाई बहन होते हैं उनसे काम करवाते हैं सब, तो हम उन दोनों को भेज देते हैं कि जल्दी से जाओ ये कर लो. तो बेचारों को आज शाम को हमको दुबई जाना था, बट दिन में वो सुबह जाके कुछ काम कर रहे हैं हमारा, होल्डिंग द फोर्ट सो टू से. They're already in Dubai. I think they're working there right now. We miss them all the time, but I think tomorrow एक दिन हम साथ में होंगे तो मजा आएगा.
Shah sir, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. Has Abraham or your other kids seen the movie yet, or the rushes this one?
Abram and Suhana. I've seen it. हम हैदराबाद में आए थे वो थोड़े दिन के लिए, तो rushes बहुत जो रफ कट rushes होते हैं. सो हमने कुछ 1 घंटा 30 मिनट की फिल्म, सारे यूनिट, रोहित का एक सिस्टम होता है तकरीबन एंड में आते आते पूरे यूनिट 200 लोगों को बुलाकर फिल्म दिखाते हैं. तो अब्राम और सुहाना वहाँ पर थे. या सो दे आल्सो सॉ.
So what was their reaction towards it? Are they excited?
सी थोड़ा बायस होगा, मेरा अपना खून है. तो सुहाना वाज लिटिल सरप्राइज्ड एट द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द स्टोरी एंड द लव स्टोरी. जब शुरुआत में देख रही थी उनको ठीक लग रहा था, और एकदम सडनली एक मोमेंट आता है फिल्म में, सो शी वाज लिटिल प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड विद द स्टोरी लाइन. और अब्राम का मुझे पता नहीं क्या समझ आता है, वो तो कुछ ऐसा जब जब म्यूजिक
He's
आता
more
है
interested in the cars, basically.
हाँ,
He's not interested in you so much.
No,
True.
not like that. No, ऐसा नहीं. उसको गाड़ी तभी अच्छी लगती है अगर मैं चला रहा हूँ, अदरवाइज. बट ही जब मुझे देखता था तो पापा बोलता था. एक जगह पे जब एक सीन आया जिससे मुझे चोट लगी, उसके बाद काजोल का क्लोजअप आता है दूसरे सीन में, सो ही स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट हर विद लिटिल दिस थिंग कि एज इफ पापा टूट गया. बट ही सीम टू एंजॉय इट. आई वाज लिटिल सरप्राइज कि 1.5 घंटा बैठा, तकलीफ नहीं दी, ताली वाली बजा रहा था. और कई जगह पे ना कुछ हुआ तो सब चुप हो जाते थे, उसकी आवाज़ आती थी. बट पिक्चर यूए है तो आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन सी. अब तो देख सकता है, यूए देख सकता है. अच्छा, पेरेंट्स के साथ. हाँ, तो मेरी गोद में बैठ के देखी थी उसने. ठीक है, हम लीगल हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं करना वैसा.
Hi Shahrukh. This is obviously a celebration of your films, in this Shahrukh Khan Film Festival, and of course you tried reprising another very famous film of yours, Karan Arjun, for the Big Boss promo, and we saw the promo, which looks really really interesting, with Salman. How was it shooting again and reprising the whole Karan Arjun feel?
More than reprising the Karan Arjun feel, it's just nice always to be with Salman here. We've spent a lot of personal moments together. But I think we are shooting after a long time, and it was nice. हम कुछ 3-4 घंटे साथ में रहे. I think हमने ज़्यादा बातें की और प्रोमो सिर्फ 1-1.5 घंटे के लिए शूट किए. But it was fun to be with him, and जैसा वो कहते हैं, मैं ज़्यादा ड्रामेटिक और मेलोड्रामेटिक नहीं करना चाहता, इमोशनल. ये बंधन तो प्यार का. But it was good to be with him.
शाहरुख सामने आपके, ठीक. सलमान की बात कर रहे हैं. सलमान के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है, क्या कहेंगे आप? कल ही फैसला आ चुका है. आपने सलमान से बात की, आपने न्यूज़ को कैसे लिया?
No, I haven't spoken to him. We've just been working. But at a personal level, very, very personal level, not getting into anything bigger or generic. I think हमारे दोस्त हैं, हमारे कॉलीग हैं, सालों से हम जानते हैं. So अगर उनके लिए कुछ अच्छा होगा तो हम सबको ही खुशी होगी. So on that level, yes, of course. And in whichever way the judgment has gone, I think it's positive for him. So we feel happy for that. But I haven't spoken to him yet. Maybe जब मैं थोड़ा वक्त होगा तो जाके मिलता हूँ उससे जाके.
Hi Shahrukh sir, over here. Sir, you have come from an era when promotions were not so important, and now we have seeing that the films are extensively promoted all over. So how important is it to promote a film in today's era? Because considering the fact that you are one of the biggest superstars India has ever had, and there is of course going to be a lot of audience who will go to watch the film looking at the trailer. So how important is it to promote a film?
I think the importance of promotion depends on the way you want to promote a film. If you have a film which you claim to be the big film with big ticket prices coming out on a big holiday like ours, our film claims to be a family film. We are very clearly trying to tell you that come with your whole family, come with your kids, come with your mothers, sisters, girlfriends, everyone. Which means a lot of expense for a regular person going into a cinema theatre today. I think it's only right the promotions should inform people what they're getting into. I think for that aspect, promotion is very important. Having said that, I think the platforms have increased so many folds now that it's not that you just promote your film and it's being done all over the place. The platforms are so many that you can take advantage of them whenever you wish to. And even a small film can utilize that. You know, I've seen some very special niche films which may not have the budgets like we have, but they go all out and suddenly you start hearing a good news about it. People do dub smashes for it. People talk about it. You get some reviews already. People do some private screenings and chat about it. So I think it's a positive thing, as in when you wish to utilize it. For me, it always has been informing about the film. People can, like Alok said, marketing guru, X, Y, Z, and I can give lectures on it because I'm called upon to do so. But the basic truth I've always maintained is I want you to be informed before you spend those couple of 100 or 300, 400 rupees for the ticket, because there's no returning the money back. You know, it's a product which gets sold without you having tested it. So it's important I let you see as much as of the film I can. And I think every filmmaker should make it their duty, if they can afford to, tell people about the film. And also, you know, honestly, the business has become important the first few days. One can't deny that. The opening weekends or the first week and a half has become an important aspect for film-going audience and the producer. So you try to get as much of the business in those couple of weeks than before.
I'd just like to say that, you know, women are the smartest, most amazing creatures in the world because we have convinced men that they rule the world today. Yes. We've convinced them that we've given them permission and we have convinced